Today I share with you how to make this thick and creamy rice water, and you'll just love the process. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video, okay? So let's start with the process. So here I have my rice, which I've blended it into this consistency, and you can just use your rice just like that, okay? But with this consistency, it is so good when you have kids around. So in my pot I will go in with water, and here I am going to allow the water to come to a boil. I am then going to add water to my rice, and here you can wash your rice if you prefer. I'm going to give it a good stir before I transfer it into the boiling water. So here my water is boiling so good, and I am going to add the rice I already mixed, and then give it a good stir because I don't want it to be lumpy. This is one of the easiest breakfast and stress-free you can ever make. So after stirring it, I am going to leave it and allow it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes until it is soft and thick. But if you don't want it to be thick, you can just add water and you're good to go. So this is the consistency I'm going in for. So next I am going to add some butter because I wanted to add more moisture to my rice water, and then I will add sugar, but you can use honey as well, and I added a pinch of salt, and I am going to give it a good stir once again for everything to be well combined. If you are still watching this video to this very end, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Like this video for me, share this video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. So just check this rice water, so thick, rich and delicious. So I am going to serve the rice water once it is done and ready. I am going to serve it, and then I will add evaporated milk to it. You can as well add raisins if you want it, okay? So after serving it, I am going to enjoy as usual. So if you want to be happy in your home, just make this breakfast and you will love it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.